Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Kibabon ki sengsan perthai ka jela kila penkre yaladi nagabenta ki election MP ka Lok Sabha kibakintok ya ka Shillong bat katura parliamentary constituency ka Bansalong Shen bala yo iru bakila don katto ka nitli ki seng ki bala penpau ya ki Kyrtong jong ki Kyrtong ki banya kun nagabenta ka ke election na ki seng jong ki nagaliang ka Congress la yo i baka klempat shim la penbana satya yo Kyrtong jong ka ubanya kun ya ka ke election habaro kisuki. Hagabide bat gani uba Ronnie vi lingdo. Unongelam kaliang persya kaseng Kongres ulaong. Baka seng kampat sim na rasa tiaya ki Kyrtong di banyak kunyi ke election MP na Shillong Batura Parliamentary Constituency. Ule atho baka seng gala court application yi ginu ki bakwa banyak kunyi ke election na kitiki artli ki constituency. Barhadin ka jing tap Kyrtong jong ki bakwa banyak kunyi ke election. Nakaliang ka seng kan sa syong bat bisyara ka jingelang jongka nagabentaban rai hagabay day padu Kyrtong ubakan jin. Habakili lahato ka seng ka court application pang nagabenta ka tura nagabenta ka Shillong bat bakan Pynïeng bait da ujo Kyrtong ubaday MP bamenta na po ka Shillong Parliamentary Constituency uba Vincent pala uba Ronnie ulaong ba amdan mano balaban kensting tang namar bakila day lupa ki MP ni ki MLA ni ki MDC bakin yo bait banyak kunya ke MP naga ticket jongga seng Congress.
We are going to have meeting very soon. We've already issued forms for application for those who like to contest, and then as and when we receive application, then the Pradesh Election Committee will sit and decide on that. Very soon, I think in the matter of 25th or 23rd, 24th of this month, as soon as we receive the application, we'll decide on that.
So the application is being called only for Turasi because Shillong seat?
No. Shillong, Turasi, no. Nobody can take for granted that I'm a sitting MP or MLA or MDC, the ticket will be, automatically theirs. No. We have a process, yes. Normally, the sitting candidate, unless of course they express their inability or unwillingness to contest, and then for other reasons, normally it goes to the sitting sitting incumbent candidate. But then but there's still the process. We still invite, application for